Hello, welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that this guy seems to step on. It is Monday, January 9th. I'm super excited to be coming to you. We are back. I cannot believe that it is almost the 15th of January, but we're close. Today, I want to talk to you about something that has helped my business tremendously. I mean, night and day. It changed, I think, the course of my business, my voiceover business. All right. And we're going to be talking about how to create a deeper voiceover today. This is whether you are male or female, it doesn't matter. Having the ability to create a deeper sound, okay, with your voice can help you land so many jobs. Okay. So I'm going to go through something that you can do that I found. It's two things that you can do. I'm going to go through that have changed my voiceover business and, really helped me grow tremendously. And I want to just share real quickly what happened is that when I first started in my voiceover business, I didn't know what people were looking for. So I wanted to do upbeat and be excited and full of energy. So what I did was I talked a lot like this, right? Where my voice was up, I was constricting my throat, I was excited, I was, my posture was really big and everything like this. And, this is my excited voice. Okay, this is my excited voice. It's forward in the front of my mouth and my nose. It goes through, that's how my excited voice. So my pitch really raises. Okay, but if I was just talking to you with inflection and excitement, this is how I would sound. But what I found is that a lot of people weren't purchasing my voiceovers. My demos were like this, and I, wanted to figure out why. So I started doing my own research and listening to a lot of other men who were getting a lot of work. And what I found is they had deeper sounding voices. Now, I speak like this, okay? But I worked really hard. I tried to learn how could I make my voice sound deeper. And now, first and foremost, your voice is what it is. Right. And you can have a huge success no matter what your voice sounds like. I really do believe that. Okay. Because I do believe there's storytelling, that this whole thing that we do is about telling a story, whether it's 15 seconds or 15 hours, it's telling a story. But being able to manipulate the sound of your voice, the pitch, can really help. So what I want to do is share with you a couple of things that I did. And this works whether you're male or female. Okay, and for female, an perspective from a female, it really is important, I think, to be able to have a low-pitched voice as well. I mean, to be able to do a low-pitched voice for a variety of ads, for a variety of work, it really helps a lot. So I recommend being able to do that as well. So here we go. The first thing that is paramount to you getting a deeper voice is your posture. I'm doing something coming up for voices.com. I'm going to be doing a podcast and a series talking about the physical nature of voice acting, right? And bringing that to light. But I want to talk to you about it today, with this. And one of the things is your posture. When we are alert, we're standing up straight. All right. What happens is we move our head up some. What happens? Well, what happens is that we get this feeling. Your body gets this feeling of excitement, strength, okay, energy, and a lot of times from that, okay, our diaphragm kicks in, our throat constricts. All right, or we can project. And a lot of times when we project, our voices raise. And the reason why they raise, and a lot of this is probably not good. It's not because if you haven't been through vocal training, it should not raise in pitch. But most of us, it does because we constrict our throats to hold in, like, for example, when you're trying to hose, you're trying to get it to go further and the water's coming out and you put your thumb over the top, right? You constrict the water flow, making the stream go further, right? You build pressure. It's the same thing with our throats and our voice. But what happens is, just like in a hose, wow, that's really actually a good analogy, is that, it flows, it's much constricted. So you can't utilize it all. So what I do with posture, especially when I'm trying to get my voice deeper, all right, is I'm going to relax. And I'm even going to lower the pitch of my voice, but I'm going to lower the amount of volume I'm pushing out, right? I'm just going to relax. I don't want to hunch over too far, but I want to relax, get deeper in my posture, more consumed. Now, more inward. I don't want to do this. I don't want to constrict, but I just want to relax my shoulders and kind of be like, and just relax. Now, you can tell already that my voice is getting deeper because I'm just relaxing. I'm not trying. Now, if I'm going to get bigger again and pull up the pitch, you can see how it goes up. But if I just kind of relax like this, my voice goes down because I'm not trying to get louder. And here's the rub with this, is that, what's not the rub? It's a benefit. Because we are using microphones and we're not on a stage projecting, then getting down deeper, we can go quieter. We don't have to be so loud. Okay? That's the first thing that you can do. Now, the next thing that you can do, and you can see my posture pops up, it changes my pitch. The next thing the last thing, and I got this from Morgan Freeman. It's a great, I've seen him talk about this a bunch, and I want to share it with you. And that is the yawn. Okay? He used to say, a couple minutes a day, practice on your yawning. But basically what it means is you want to stretch out, open. So keep that faucet idea, that hose idea. Open, take your finger. You're going to get such a wider amount of water coming through, okay, without constricting anything. So we want to yawn. Really open, stretch your throat. Oh, it makes me want to yawn. You might be yawning with me, all right? But what happens is as I do this, all right, and I start to really get down, and I can start to lower my voice and get this deepness in it. And I don't have to be, crazy loud with this. That's the wonderful part about proximity to the microphone. I can be deeper. All right. Now, what I'm doing is the reason why. So again, you see how I start getting louder and my pitch goes up some. All right. Remember, this is the key. You don't have to be loud. That's probably like the third one of this is lower your volume, but to get a little closer to the microphone, and you won't have to worry about it. But you can get a lower pitch, and then you can get in the back of your voice. All right. And the back of your voice, the back of your throat. And that's another thing. Picture that you're speaking from the back of your throat. I just did it in my mind. I was like, picture I'm speaking from the back of my throat. It's crazy, right? This comes with practice. This comes with time. So remember your posture. All right. It's a big thing. Relax your posture. Relax. Okay. Don't hunch, but just relax. Then yawn. Okay. Really stretch out that throat. All right, you've got to warm up here, yawn. And then from there, picture in your mind that you're speaking from the back of your throat. Now, you might not be that low, that's fine, but anywhere in your voice that you can lower the pitch will be extremely helpful and to creating a deep voiceover. All right, guys, I hope that this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button below. All right. And don't forget, for more lessons like this in advanced voice acting, to check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy. There's a link below. Would love to have you. And, Wednesdays are actually our advanced acting classes. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Peace.